All right, you guys, I'm really embarrassed that I'm showing you this. This is my garage right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to hang a ladder on the studs today, and we're going to clean this place up. So the first thing you're going to do is get a stud finder, and you're going to run it along the wall. You want to make your mark right in the middle of when the red light goes on and the red light goes off. Then you're going to get your ladder hanger of your choice that you choose. And right now I'm just marking it with the drill bit that I'm going to use to drill a pilot hole. So we're going to go ahead and get our drill and use that 1/8 inch or whatever the instructions give you for your hanger that you buy, and we're going to drill that pilot hole. So just make sure it's straight and push really firmly. Then we're going to go ahead and get those screws. Now y'all, I'm not going to lie to you, this was hard. I was standing up high, so I couldn't like push my body into it, so I had to unscrew it and then just really with all the force I could just push that thing all the way in. So now you're going to want to measure up to where that bottom screw is, and then you're going to find that other stud, and you're going to go ahead and make a mark where that bottom screw is going to go and go ahead and screw that in. Now here's that holder up close. You need 2 of them obviously, and they're about $11 a piece at Home Depot. I'll leave that link in the description, but you can also mount this to your ceiling, which is really cool. So here it is all done, and now my garage is so clean. I bought these shelves that you see right there for $39 at Harbor Freight. I can leave a link to those in the description below. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.